Hey guys, it's Rochelle from Originally Worn. I'm just gonna show you a quick and easy tutorial on how I'm painting window trim. We're in my son's bedroom and I decided just to grab out my camera, so I'm all sweaty and dirty. I've moved stuff, shampooed rugs, scrubbed walls today, and now we're gonna paint some trim. So here is the window we're gonna paint. Pretty simple, easy window. You can see I've taken off all of the hardware off of there, and I've spray painted that black. And then I've filled in any little holes I've needed to do. And I've taped off the windows. So you can see here that this is just like you could use a painter's tape or that's actually boxing tape. And then this is a plastic that has a piece of tape that has a plastic attached to it. And then I've taped that on, and then I've had to tape the edges of this down. The reason why I have to tape these windows so intensely is because we're gonna spray paint. The reason I'm using spray paint is because all of this right here, whenever I brush paint, it doesn't seem to match, but it also seems to just to get like all goobery in there. And also another little tip, you can see I've left this open just a tinge bit, but there's a piece of tape stuck in there. And we're gonna move that up and down so we make sure to get the edge of that and then the edges up in there and like that. So here we're ready. Oh, and this method really only works if you're gonna paint the walls, which we are painting black. So for my first coat, I'm gonna use this Bullseye 123 primer in a spray can. I also have sweet ass gloves on because I just got my nails done and they're painted black and I don't wanna get white spray paint on them. So give it a shake. I've shook it about a minute on here, and you're gonna try to do the lightest coats you can, and you just hit it all over. A thin, light coat of this stuff. This does not require sanding beforehand, but you certainly can if you want to. For the actual trim color, we're gonna be using the Rust-Oleum 2x Ultra Cover Paint Primer Satin in Blossom White. It's just a nice clean white. Now I do paint with a brush sometimes on my lower trim, but windows I just really hate it. Usually I can match that color pretty close to an actual paintable trim color, but if not, I can use this too. So give her a good shake and do some light coats over top it. And it's just as a nice creamy white. So just 2 quick coats of paint. It's all dry now. And you can kind of see the finish of that satin there. You know, the windows still move up and down really easily. And by doing an overspray method, even if you're just painting with a brush, if you can overlap your colors, now when we come up with the black, we can go right up against this and there'll never be any bit of this green kind of as a third color in between there. So here you go, quick and easy trim.